Good morning, dear students. Yesterday I told you about the author of the chapter, the third level, and the summary as well as the characters. So today let's read out the chapter. Have you ever had any curious experience which others find hard to believe? So the narrator is asking and putting a question in the minds of the readers. That have you ever had any curious experience which others find hard to believe? जो लोगों को विश्वास नहीं होता, ऐसा कभी एक्सपीरियंस क्या आपने किया है? The presidents of the New York Central and the New York New Haven and Hartford railroads will swear on a stack of timetables that there are only two. So whether anyone is there, whether he is the president of the New York Central and the New York, New Haven and Hartford railroads, they will swear. Swear means they will take some oath. कसम ले सकते हैं on a stack of timetable. Stack means piles, ढेरियों पर, right? On the piles of timetable, there are a lot of timetables of the railway stations that there are only two. What are these two? These are the two levels of the Grand Central Railway Station. But I say there are three. I stands for the commuter. Yesterday I told you what is a commuter. A commuter is a person who daily travels between home and work. Right? So the narrator says that I can swear that there are three because I have been on the third level of the Grand Central Station. It is a subway from where he used to go to take the train from the home to the office or from office to home. And just like on the ground level, and then in the under the ground level there is one level, and then on the after that there is a second level. But the narrator assumes that there are three levels. Yes, I have taken the obvious step. I talked to a psychiatrist friend of mine. So he talked about it to his psychiatrist friend, the psychological, doctor. So he talked to him also, among others. I told him about the third level at Grand Central Station. He tried to convince him that there are three levels, and he said it was a waking dream wish fulfillment. Please underline it, it is really important. It was a waking dream wish fulfillment. Means ये दिन में देखने वाला एक ड्रीम है, विश फुलफिलमेंट, जो आपकी अंदर से विश है तो उसे फुलफिल करने के लिए कई बार क्या होता है कि एज आई टोल्ड यू द थीम ऑफ दिस चैप्टर, the modern world is full of wars, tensions, stress, insecurity, and people of modern times have to undergo them. This results in incessant tensions and worry. So consequently people become escapist. वो भागना चाहते हैं and run away from reality. They try to run away from reality. They want to go back into the good old days of the grandfathers whose lives were very simple and devoid of all complexities. As I gave you example of the childhood, everybody loves to enjoy the childhood period of life, but we can't go back as we don't have a time machine to go back into that period of time, right? But everybody loves to go back into that age, or to go back into that period of time where he was enjoying every time. Okay, so these days, as we all have seen, some kind of tension, so we want to go back into our older time. So that's what this commuter or the narrator wants in his life. He wants to go back, he wants to take a refuse, भागना चाहता है. He wants to take leave from this place and go back into older good days. So he thought that he was at the Grand Central Railway Station's third level. So it is a kind of waking dream wish fulfillment. He said, I was unhappy. That made my life kind of mad. जब उसने ये कहा कि भाई इट इज़ अ वेकिंग विश ड्रीम विश फुलफिलमेंट सो आई वॉज अनहैप्पी एंड माई वाइफ what is the name of the wife? I told you yesterday, Louisa. Louisa. So the narrator's name is Charlie. Charlie said to his wife Louisa, and she became mad. But he explained that he meant that modern world is full of insecurity, fear, war, worry, and all the rest of it, and that I just want to escape. And this is the answer which I gave you earlier. He wants to get some escape from the life of insecurity, fear, war, and worry. Please underline it. Well, why doesn't it? Everybody I know wants to escape, but they don't wander down into any third level at Grand Central Railway Station. Grand Central Railway Station, where was it? It was in New York, right? And he said everybody wants to escape from this reality, and but certain people couldn't go over there at the third level of the Grand Central Railway Station where he had gone. But that's the reason, he said, and my friends all agreed. और यही reason था, and he said, and my all friends agreed. Everything points to it, they claimed. My stamp collecting. Everything points to it, they claimed. They said there is certain reason for my assumptions. मेरे अनुमान का एक शायद एक रीज़न है. वो क्या है? That I have a hobby of stamp collection. For example, that is a temporary refuse. Please underline it. Stamp collecting means I used to live in the past. That is my habit. And it is a kind of temporary refuse from reality. और शायद यही it is a runaway. Refuse means shelter or protection from danger. हम कहीं किसी डेंजर में फंसे हो तो वहाँ से भागकर हम कहीं और एक शेल्टर ले लेते हैं, एक आश्रय ले लेते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड अ रिफ्यूज, राइट? सो हिज फ्रेंड सेड दिस इज अ टेम्पररी रिफ्यूज फ्रॉम रियलिटी. आप यहाँ से रन अवे करना चाहते हैं, किससे? रियलिटी से. वेल मे बी, बट माई ग्रैंड फादर डिडंट नीड एनी रिफ्यूज फ्रॉम रियलिटी. ही सेड मेरे ग्रैंड फादर को तो कोई ज़रूरत नहीं थी ना, right, to take a refuge from reality. Things were pretty nice and peaceful. बहुत अच्छे से चीज़ें चल रही थी. Those were very nice and peaceful in his day. From all I hear, and he shared my collection. It is a nice collection too. Blocks of four of practically every US issue, first day covers, and so on. President Roosevelt collected stamps too. He had taken an example of President Roosevelt also. President Roosevelt, he was a great personality. He was born on January 30, 1882 and died on April 12. He was the president, right? He re-elected for 3 times in New York and he was a great personality. Okay, so he took the example of his grandfather who used to collect the stamps, and he said in his evidence, अपने उसमें अपने proof को देने के लिए कि ये stamp collection is not a refuse from reality. My grandfather used to collect the stamps, and even President Roosevelt used to collect the stamps. So both were very happy in their own life. So why are you taking it as a refuse from reality for me only, right? Anyway, here is what happened at Grand Central one night last summer. I worked late at the office. Now he is telling them how he had come on this Grand Central railway station's third level. So he said, one night last summer, I worked late at office. I was in a hurry to get up. down to my apartment. So I decided to take the subway from Grand Central Station because it's faster than the bus. So he is telling his story that once he was in a hurry and he was getting late from the office, so he took the subway of the Grand Central Railway Station because it was faster than the bus to reach his home. Now I don't know why this should have happened to me. कहता है, लेकिन मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों हुआ मुझे ये नहीं पता. आई एम जस्ट एन ऑर्डिनरी गाय named Charlie. So here the name of this commuter, this narrator has been told. Charlie, please underline it. So he says कि मुझे नहीं पता कि मैं यहाँ कैसे पहुँचा. 31 years old. Now he has told about his age also. 31 years old, and I was wearing a tan garba garbadine. Garbadine. What is it? I have sent you the glossary yesterday. Garbadine is a closely woven fabric. A closely woven fabric. Okay. Gabardine suit and a straw hat with a fancy band. So straw hat के साथ क्योंकि ये सर्दी का टाइम है, so he was wearing those things. And I wasn't trying to escape from anything, and he was not trying to escape from anything. I just wanted to get home to Louisa, my wife. So here the name of the wife also has been introduced. Underline it. I turned into Grand Central from Vanderbilt Avenue. यहाँ से उसने स्टार्ट किया Vanderbilt Avenue से and went down the steps to the first level where you take trains like the 20th century. So he entered into the first level जहाँ से सभी ट्रेन्स जाती थी 20th century की, right? If you ever have gone from metro in Delhi, so you must have seen it that there are certain levels, underground levels also. Sometimes the train goes under the ground, sometimes up the ground. So just like that. So he entered into the first level. Then I walked down another flight to the second level. He entered into the second level where the suburban trains leave from, ducked into an arched. Ducked into means bent down to get in. Bent down to get in. थोड़ा नीचे जैसे डक होती है ना, वो क्या करती है सी इसमें पॉन्ड में नीचे डक्ड इनटू मतलब अंदर की तरफ से स्विम करती है और टू गेट सम प्रे मीन्स शिकार. सो डक्ड इनटू बेंड डाउन टू गेट इन, थोड़ा झुक कर जैसे उसने अंदर की तरफ एंटर किया. राइट. अनदर फ्लाइट टू द सेकेंड लेवल. He entered into it where the suburban trains leave from, ducked into an arched doorway heading for the subway and got lost. He entered into the second one, and suburban trains means city trains. Okay, so he entered and he was lost over there. That's easy to do. I have been in and out of Grand Central hundreds of times. Hundreds of times he had entered into this subway, but I am always bumping into new doorways and stairs and corridors. लेकिन हमेशा पता नहीं चलता था उसे कि कैसे वो नए doorways and stairs and corridors में enter कर जाता था. Once I got into a tunnel, right? Once he got into some tunnel. Tunnel क्या होती है? Have you gone to Shimla? Over there are certain tunnels. हिंदी में अगर हम कहें तो सुरंग, मतलब एक छोटा सा पाथवे होता है जैसे अंडर सम हिल और सो, राइट. सो देयर वाज अ टनल about a mile long and came out in the hobby of into the lobby of the Roosevelt Hotel. And I came to the lobby of the Roosevelt Hotel. Another time I came up in an office building on 46th Street, 3 blocks away. और वहाँ से होते हुए पता नहीं कैसे वो फटाफट से 46th Street पर पहुँच गया, 3 blocks away. 3 blocks जैसे बिल्डिंग्स होती हैं, जैसे हाउसेस, सेम वे बड़े बड़े ब्लॉक्स, क्योंकि इट वाज अ मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटी, सो बड़ी बड़ी अम्पायर्स और काइंड ऑफ बिल्डिंग्स हैं वहाँ। सो उन 3 ब्लॉक्स को क्रॉस करके वो वहाँ पहुँच गया, कहाँ, 46 स्ट्रीट पर। समटाइम्स आई थिंक ग्रैंड सेंट्रल इज ग्रोइंग लाइक अ ट्री। कभी कभी मुझे लगता था कि ग्रैंड सेंट्रल जो है वो एक बड़े से ट्री की तरीके से बढ़ता जा रहा है। कभी यहाँ से वहाँ पहुँच जाते हैं, पता ही नहीं चलता कि आज यहाँ से इंटर किया था तो एक नए एरिया में पहुँच गया। सो पुशिंग आउट न्यू कॉरिडोर्स, जिसमें से नए नए कॉरिडोर्स निकल रहे हैं, स्टेयर केसेस निकल रहे हैं लाइक रूट्स। देर इज प्रोबेबली हेयर इट इज अ ट्री, right, a picture of a tree. So just like that, it's a Grand Central railway station, and there are a lot of routes, and the so it is just like that. So I hope you have got it, and next part we'll do tomorrow. Thank you.